Hello friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to recall an email in Outlook when using the web browser. Let's get started. Open your browser, go to outlook.live.com, and log into your Outlook account. Enable the Undo Send feature in your Outlook account, like the Outlook app for desktop. Click on the settings icon in the top right corner. Choose Mail from the side menu, then go to Compose and Reply. Scroll down to find the Undo Send option. Messages can be cancelled for up to 10 seconds. You can choose how long Outlook will wait to send your messages, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Click on Save to apply the changes. This feature allows you to cancel an email right after hitting send. Once enabled, Outlook will show an undo button whenever you send an email. You can click it to stop the email from being delivered. Outlook gives you a 10-second window by default, but you can adjust the timing to fit your preference. And that's all you need to know. To do the same thing on the Outlook Windows and Mac apps, refer to the video in the description and the pinned comment. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.